Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tyler here again. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you could get more orders on Fiverr. It's not pretty easy, right? But with these tips, it will help to increase the rate at which you get orders on Fiverr. The first tip is sending your offers professionally. This matters a lot, but some people take it for granted. But sending your offer professionally, it includes when sending your offer, you start with introducing greeting the buyer and introducing yourself, then talking about the request which the buyer has placed, and telling the buyer that you are professional enough to handle this project. That is building a trust between you and the buyer, and telling the buyer your years of experience in this field, and rounding it up with a call to action like contact me, message me, or order now stuff. Any call to action you could put in the request. So that's it. That is how you can send a professional offer. You could develop yourself more on sending a professional offer, so this could increase the chance of you getting orders on Fiverr. Tip number 2 is editing your gig once in a while. This is very important too. Editing your gig once in a while. Some people, when they start getting orders on Fiverr, they just they don't worry about editing their gig. It affects because keywords do expire on Fiverr. If you don't know that, now. Keywords do expire. You could be using a keyword that is ranking before, but you just find out that you have 5 stars on your Fiverr gig, but you see your gig demoting. That's because you didn't edit your gig. Yes, it's because you didn't edit your gig. If you edited your gig will either go more higher or remain on its spot, not to derank. Then when editing your gig, make sure that you note everything you want to edit, because editing your gig, it could cause your gig to go forward and could cause your gig to go backward. But when you want to edit your gig, make sure that you focus on the search tags, that are ranking. Search tags do expire, and when you don't update your search tag and you are using the expired search tag, you will just find your gig demoted to like the page you went before. So that is how it works. And third tips is promote your gig. Some people just don't like to promote their gig, and it really helps when Fiverr see that you are really trying promoting your gig. They'll help boost your gig forward. Now, which platform can you promote your gig? The best platforms which you can promote your gig to get more clicks, view, and actually get order is Quora.com. So you just visit Quora.com, you register on the platform, then you can just come on the platform, then you can just search something on like Fiverr gig promotion. As you can see, we have it here, Fiverr gig. As you can see, how to promote Fiverr to increase, stuff like that. Now, Fiverr gig promotion, you can just come here and you can create a topic, or you just come and you can just come here and you just view stories. What people already posted about Fiverr gig promotion. So you just have to view it. After you view it, then you just comment with your Fiverr link. You comment with your Fiverr link, and you will see people will be clicking on your Fiverr link to check out what is entails on your Fiverr link. So that is how it works. You just comment under a topic which someone has created or you created yourself. So people will actually be clicking on your link, and anyone who needs your service could just contact you right from there. And another techniques which you can use in promoting your Fiverr link is Twitter.com. Just go to Twitter. You will see like company posts, official posts, like maybe someone like Donald Trump posted posts something like anything at all, Donald Trump. Okay, so just anything he posts, and you can just go under it and like you comment under it. And commenting under it, you could just like, oh, this you just post your link. This seller is a very you make sure that you are not commenting with your Fiverr profile. So you could just squeeze down like this seller is a very professional seller in the service is rendering. He helped me to make a professional, if you are doing landing page, he made a landing page for me, and oh wow, the landing page was so good. And commenting under that, when anyone a lot of comments comes under Donald Trump's post. So when anyone, just maybe anyone who needs something and services like that, just click on the post and sees that post, the person could just click on the gig and will be redirected to your gig, and the person can just check out your profile and just decide to contact you right from there. So when you want to promote your gig on Twitter, you make sure you comment on popular posts. You comment, you don't comment as the person owning the account. You comment as the person who got services from the account. And make sure you use the search tag. Yeah, search tag. When using the search tag, like Fiverr gig promotion, like if you are offering landing page, you can just put hashtag landing page design, professional stuff like that. You could just search on Twitter for hashtags. Then you make use of hashtags when putting your comments below popular posts. You can put your comment below popular posts like Donald Trump, like just any popular post you know of. You can just comment under the popular post. And right, the last tip which I'll be giving you guys today is make sure you get positive rating after every order delivery. This is very essential. If you deliver any order and you get like 4-star, 3-star, automatically your gig will be demoted. But make sure that you maintain your 4.7 star to 5-star, so you don't get demoted. Instead, you get ranked. And if you are able to apply all this method, I'm very sure you guys will be getting orders in queue with all this method. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, you can just click on the like button to like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, as I'll be posting more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.